Okay, so as I've mentioned in the previous video, so this is the continuation. This is part two. So as I was saying, I was installing PostGIS. So if you're using, for instance, PostGIS version 2.3, that the requirement of PostgreSQL will be 9.6. So the two versions, so PostgreSQL and PostGIS have to be bundled together, okay? As you'll see right now. Yes. Okay, so this is gonna take some time. So please be patient or quickly find something to do and then come back when it's done. Okay, so that's done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install PgRouting. Okay, great. So now we're going to open up the command line interface of PostgreSQL in full admin mode. So this is the default user that's created for you when you install PostgreSQL. Okay, so now I'm using the PostgreSQL user. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create the database for the application that we're building. Create DB, and the name of the database will be CPT water. Okay, so the database is created. So now we're going to create a user, and the user will belong to the application. So the username will be the name of the application. So create user water watch. So the username will be water watch. Okay, so enter a password. I'm going to, for simplicity's sake, I'm going to make mine Postgres. Okay, repeat. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to enter the PostgreSQL shell as my database. So I'm going to use my database in the PostgreSQL shell. Okay. Okay, so I'm in, and first of all, I'm going to grant all privileges on my database CPT water to the user water watch. Okay, and the next thing is I'm going to create extensions to enable this database to store spatial data. Okay, and now I'm going to create a second extension called PostGIS topology. Okay, so that's it. So we created our database, we created the user for that database, as well as configured the database for geospatial data. So now we can quit the terminal, \Q, and exit this user. Okay, so that's it, guys. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to set up Python, as well as installing the necessary dependencies for GIS development, like GeoDjango, and as well as creating a virtual environment. So thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you guys later.